We already know that the Galaxy S24 Ultra has really good performance, a really good camera and really good build. But today I want to focus on something specific and very underrated. That being the display. A specific part of the display that is. And we have known for quite a while now that Samsung have the best displays on smartphones, best resolution, high refresh rate and just overall good quality of a display with the colors and everything. But I am also somebody who uses an iPhone. And to be honest, Apple aren't the only ones who should adopt this specific feature that I'm going to be talking about today into their phones. I think all companies should, to all of their devices. But without anything else said, let's get straight into the video. Alright, let's talk about the specs of the display. So, 6.8 inches, 1440p, 2600 peak brightness, variable refresh rate up to 120Hz, AMOLED, under-display fingerprint scanner, and a small hole punch camera. All of this is really good already, but what I want to talk about today is something specific. The anti-reflective coating. Guys, this is so underrated. This is the best feature on the S24 Ultra. I'm going to be trying my best to show you what the coating looks like when using the phone. I'm recording with an iPhone 13. It does have a pretty good camera, so you guys will be able to tell. But the effect of the anti-reflective coating is much better in real life. Essentially, Samsung have added a coating to their screen, which really removes a lot of the reflections that come with everyday use. And now that the summer is here, it really is helping me realize how much this helps. So all that light that comes from the sun or just any light that comes from the window, essentially it is just much less noticeable. It's much darker. There's not much of a reflection. Look at your iPhone, just put it in front of the mirror if you have one, or any phone that isn't an S24 Ultra, and you will see there is quite a bit of a reflection. And then if you see what I am showing you here on the screen, it is really good. It helps a lot. Samsung did have a problem where this coating ended up reducing the overall vividness and saturation of the colors on the display. However, they have released an update. This issue is long gone. But yeah, I also have the S24 and they decided not to put the coating on the phone for whatever reason. They only have it on the Ultra phone. And like when high refresh rate displays were introduced, I'm guessing this is something that is going to be coming to all phones, because I cannot seem to use a phone anymore without this feature. For those who really are looking into the video, yes, I am using a screen protector, but this is Samsung's anti-reflective screen protector that they only seem to make for the S24 Ultra. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comments. I think it's only for the S24 Ultra. But yeah, I think next year when the S25 series come out, I'm hoping Samsung adopt this to more of their phones, such as the S25, S25 Plus, and even the Z Flip and Z Fold series. But yeah, if you are outside a lot and you are going to be using it outside, or even just any light, even that little light that you have on your desk, yes, it really does make a difference. Now that's the main thing about the S24 Ultra screen. Without this, it does seem pretty familiar to the other phone screens in the market. But yeah, it does really set it apart, and I'm hoping that Apple also implements this feature into the 16 Pro series or do something to battle the reflections. But yeah, I'm actively encouraging all companies, please copy this one feature. In general, I feel like there hasn't been a generation where Samsung's displays haven't been on top in terms of how they look, how they feel, and in general, they've always been releasing the best displays for smartphones. I really like the overall quality of the display. It's a really high quality display. Even without the anti-reflective coating, it is one of the best displays in the market. But just adding that feature that nobody else has yet, it really just pushes it over the edge. So yeah, to all the companies, please copy this feature. I want to see this in the iPhone 16 Pro, because I will be buying the 16 Pro, and if I don't see that feature, it's going to be really hard to make the switch from the S24 Ultra to the 16 Pro. So what do you guys think? What's your favorite feature on the S24 Ultra or S24 series? If you guys have it, let me know in the comments down below, and while you're down there, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. With that said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.